Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Peloton Strength Plus subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you can cancel your subscription originally where you have purchased. So the first method for Android users. So first of all you need to open your Apple or you can select iPhone, you can select Play Store, and you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select payment and subscription. Okay, and then you will see there is a list like subscription. You need to select subscription and you need to select your app like Peloton app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription on their app store or Apple store, you need to open your iPhone settings, and once you open your iPhone settings you need to tap on your Apple ID and you need to select your subscription. Then you need to select your app which you want to cancel like Peloton app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so by using these ways you can easily cancel your subscription with Peloton Strength. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.